Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can log in to your Spriggy Pocket account. So to do so, first of all, you need to download the app by doing an registration. And after you've done that, you'll be able to download Spriggy Pocket, and then you'll be able to sign up for it. So if you've logged out and you need to log back in, then this video might be helpful for you. So to do that, all you have to do is just open your Spriggy app and tap on the login option, and then you'll be able to find the page where it says to type in your email and your passwords. So after you do that, then you'll be able to finally log in to your Spriggy Pocket account. So guys, that's how you log into your Spriggy Pocket account. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.